finally back in Michigan. We got in about 5 a.m. Had to get my car at the... I don't even know. I'm so brain dead right now. At the airport. So now got a little bit of sleep and I am about to start unpacking everything. Long awaited, if I can find the key to the padlock. Got it. It was quite the trip. We got stuck in traffic for a little bit. There was an accident, I think. I don't really know what they were doing, maybe construction, but we sat in one spot for like an hour 15 in Pennsylvania. But we are home. We are home, finally. Oh, I need more sleep. I got like 3.5 hours of sleep last night. I don't know how I did it, but I think it was just me being excited. So let's look at everything. Of course, gotta padlock the goodies. Oh my, let's see how much stuff shifted. So what I'm gonna do is end up putting, I have a 2-car garage. I'm gonna end up putting, this is where I park, putting all the shoes in here, and then I'm gonna put all the clothing in my house actually. That way, it doesn't get ruined. But yeah, let's get into this slow. Slow. Oh, don't fall. So yeah, got quite a bit of shoes. Ton of apparel. Asics on Asics. Man, look at these beauties. So some of these have some cracking in them. But again, I only went out there because I thought that it was going to be just the apparel. So all of the bags, shoes, everything else besides the apparel, it's just icing on the cake. Stuff is falling everywhere. All right, let's get into this. What you know about that Puma? Got a bunch of these. Anyone need some shoe insoles? I don't even know. Got everything. Couple families out. This dead stuff, boy. Got the Champion anorak jacket. This needs a nice washing, but this is insane. This Puma International Sports powerlifting. Ooh-wee. Joggers. Reverse weave, Champion bomber. More reverse weave. Maybe a bag. Oh, what's that? Love it. They're sick. It was getting me better. I'm like not even halfway through the truck. This is insane. Goodness. It's growing. The beast is growing. Oh goodness. Look at that. See some Adidas Olympic stuff. Some Fila Chuckos. Man. News. Alright, down. Down. That's what we got. I haven't counted up exactly how many there are, but just know there's a lot. So some of the Asics have just like normal old damage to it due to storage, just normal wear and tear. Some are wearable, some aren't, so I'm gonna have to go through it all, but still have all the clothing. I'll get a count on this, let you guys know. But yeah, this is amazing. This is definitely the best finds I've ever done. Stay tuned. We'll definitely be having more episodes on exactly what we got, what brands we got, all that good stuff.
Bruce Chatters.
Those are fucking sick.
I don't believe that, but
Are they cotton?
U.S. Olympic gear probably.
They're like cotton poly. Actually, they're probably full poly.
85 poly, 15 cotton.
Damn, those are sick.
I can tell you what bag they're in.
Keeps coming. Truck is empty. She's got piles of sweatshirts, t-shirts, shoes, warm-up suits, Adidas, Fila, boxes and boxes of Keds. Look at all those Keds. Oh, see some Asics right there. We ended up getting like 200 pairs of shoes, but unfortunately most of them were unwearable or really unusable because of how they were stored, so they were cracking and the glue was pretty much done for. But we didn't know we were getting them, so at the end of the day it was all profit anyway. Some more Champion t-shirts. Those were all either crew necks, t-shirts, long sleeve t-shirts, everything. And now we got some Adidas warm-up suits, the Run DMC Special. I think we got about 50 of those. They're beautiful. Original boxes. We got some Via basketball shoes. Some of them were actually pretty cool. They look like the Reebok Shaq Gnosis. Oh, there's the Red Wings. 97-98 Stanley Cup champs. Back to back, baby. Some more bags. Boxes of Adidas sunglasses in the back. Akeem the Dream hats. Piles of Adidas. More Champion stuff. Reverse weave. LA Gear crew necks. Those are pretty sick. Yeah, this is my living room right now. Oh, hey Adidas, I see you. Goodness gracious, every single color. Pick a color. And we got all the college gear. This is all Champion stuff. Boston Celtics, Syracuse. I don't know what team that is. The 49ers. Jets. More Celtics. Notre Dame. USA Track and Field's mine. And last but not least, Kings from Queens. Run DMC.